What's up, guys? Welcome back to Strinova gameplay. Strinova gameplay? Strinova is a video game, and I'm gonna play it because it's super duper fun. Why am I making a video about it? Because it's super fun. And also, nobody else is in the house right now, so they won't hear my incessant screaming about my favorite game, Strinova. Um, yes. Uh, till we game, and then I like edit this part out. I don't know how to edit those. That's like the only problem. I'm drinking premium. Oh, game. Enter. Put me in there. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a little bit of a sniper. Ugh. Ugh. What am I doing? I'm a bit of a pew pew guy. I'm a bit of a firearm liker. Hell yeah. Space lab.
Select your character and get ready
Okay.
to attack.
Well, okay, I guess I won't play sniper then. Oh well. Any other person could do, really. Space lab. We got two scanners here. This is Demolition. I don't know why I'm planning this out so much. How about such fragrance.
Let's test the latest aroma formula in
Yeah. Running the shotgun build. That means literally nothing. I'm running this Ninjago shotgun build where I can shoot them with my shotgun if my gun runs out of ammo. Bam. Oh yeah. Let's see. I'll take spread control.
I bring fragrance and blessings. I truly hope this
Oh my god. Oh.
The
Peak communication,
battle is
I guess.
about to start. 5,
It okay.
4, 3,
It okay.
2,
is lighter than I
one.
expected.
You're
I'm
the
not
bomb
very good at
carrier.
Gala, am I?
Get to the target.
I don't remember being very good at Gala. Or Galileo. The one who teleports, the card one. She's flashed. We can move in. Oh,
Small enemies in the distance.
38 damage. I buff my teammates so they can kill better. I shoot this. I miss all of my shots.
Relax in the embrace of the fragrance. Smoke bomb.
Two. I run away like a pansy. Oh hell no. Where is it?
Defenders win.
Okay, well, what can you do? I may have lost track of the Celestia. That's whatever. Should I take a new one? Let's draw a stronger gun.
Anubis is watching you.
Also, I did not move with my team. Do I?
It's lighter than I expected.
Yeah. I take these.
The battle
US
is
engineering.
about to start.
Trust US. I'm engineer.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're the bomb carrier.
Alright,
Get
we
to
do
the
one of these.
target.
We jump up. Bang, 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 bang. We get hit by the arrow. We shoot the person. We don't get shot. We don't die. That's very important.
Relax in the
We get reduced
embrace
healing
of
for
the
no
cheer up,
reason.
everyone.
We heal. Just in case. Shoot that little car. We're going forward. I missed nearly all of my shots. Let me heal my team! Okay. This is fine. We push the Celestia.
Almost.
We get her.
You are done. Cheer up, everyone.
Watch this. Ooh. Okay. Literally. Okay. So, what happened there? They all were over here, and then they went over there and shot us. That's gonna look good. Probably. If I learn how to edit later. On the off chance. That's what I'm gonna spend my time doing today, actually. I'm just gonna learn how to make a YouTube video. What they did is this corridor A right here. They went from here to over here, like we did. And then they pushed me from right here.
The battle is about to start.
After game commentary for you.
5, 4,
Expert.
3,
Expert.
2,
I'm not an expert at this
1.
game.
Protect the bomb carrier and destroy the target.
Or am I? All these bullets, thank goodness. Thank goodness I don't have like 4 mags on me. They don't see this. We sneaked. Please! I hit 21 damage, guys. Don't worry, we're safe. Chances are she's gonna shoot her thing right here. That person's super gone. Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Okay, what are these people made of? Oh, that was pretty good. You guys saw that? Bam! No! That hit! Please! Okay. I got her. I think we still super duper die here, but I shot her. Whatever. That's what counts. 228 damage. Hopefully they don't revive her, but chances are there's 4 people on her right now. Doing the freaky. Or not, or other things. Didn't get the kill, so they definitely were, but we have fun. Don't worry, guys, this is a common experience.
I bring fragrance and blessings.
But you can change it! The army wants you. Strinova wants you.
About to start.
Download now for free.
5, 4, 3,
This is my
1.
this is my big
You're
this is
the
my
bomb
contribution
carrier.
to the
Get
Strinova.
to the target.
Sorry, Lockie. My contribution to the Strinova game. My video that will get 4 views. I don't know why I never looked at that before. You know, chances are that doesn't seem like a very good place, honestly.
It's like 3A.
I've done a non bueno. Let me go, please. Oh, okay, that's... Hey guys, let's go B. Yeah, this is super bad. Please don't shoot me! Please don't shoot me! Okay, cool. All of our team is dead. You think we could... Guys, let's go A. Let's go A.
Give this aroma bun to try.
You're dead, bro. You're gone. You're gone.
The embrace of the fragrance. Give this aroma bun to try.
The battle ends in 40 seconds.
Now we just have to hope they aren't over there.
Bomb planted.
Enemy nearby.
Okay.
Research is not yet complete.
What we do? We're halftime. I think. Maybe not? Okay, yeah. No, we are at halftime actually. But, okay, what we do? What the heck? What we do?
It's been a while since
We
I
go
left
up
the
warehouse. We fight right here. No, we've been doing this.
exercise.
We go logistics. We fight at corridor B. Hopefully we can take it. If we don't, we go shuttle field. We take it from both sides. Double burgers and fries. Corridor A, we'll have to be careful. Lounge, we'll have to be careful. But I think we can take B.
3,
I bring
2,
fragrance and
1.
It's our
Protect
only
the bomb
hope.
carrier and destroy the target.
And or we could just rush A and die. Or we can rush A and not die. millions of possibilities. What is... Okay, every single time this... Hello, I'm pushing you. I don't like that. Oh no, this is a really bad place to be actually, because somebody just ulted. Yeah, so we do not die here. How much damage? We fight this off. We fight this off and we win. Okay, we do not win this. Our sniper got another kill, that's good. That's pretty awesome. We get him on that. US is the good side, is the blue side of Strinova. They
Final round of the first half.
They're blue. I'm not gonna explain the lore. I can't. I can, but I won't. Guys, look, they have emojis. If I could just get sniper. If I could get sniper, I could kill one person, then you lose. It'd be so awesome. I get one kill, and then I get shot by their enemy sniper, and then Mara pushes everybody, and Aika and Mara, and Ming, and Fuchsia, all in the same place. Everybody pushes everybody. I might be cooked here. I might be cooked, low-key. And I plant here, nobody shoots me because this is an awesome place to plant. Oh, I don't like that. No, you don't. It's not something I did, are they? Oh! Don't shoot me, please. No way. No way, they hit me. We're so good at this. We're so good at this game. We're literally the best.
Switched sides.
Okay, so... Okay, so now, the plan is, we play the newest added character. The plan is, everybody goes deep damage characters, duelists they're called. And then we just deal more damage than they're able, than they can, okay, you know, yeah, we counter, we play, they literally did up my strategy. It's the best, that's how you know. Anyways, we may be cooked. Strinova. It's fine. All will be well. Okay, so the plan is Coconut, the sniper, snipes half of their team. Then we take everybody else out. And then we just do that for, what, 6 rounds? We just do that for 6 rounds. And we win. That's as easy as that. This is a bad place to be. This is a very bad place to be. I'm gonna take right side, actually. Awesome? Not awesome. Okay, now... Okay, so what the plan should be, so Coconut headshots everybody on the other team, and then we win. So if so when that happens, we'll be golden. New plan. we simply I just can't get pinched. That's the thing. The problem... Okay, I understand it now. The problem was... I went from there to there. When really, I should have went from there to there.
The battle is about to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Defend your position.
Aren't we supposed to be doing different dances? Isn't there like a... Okay. So, the plan? The plan is to actually aim at the enemy and then shoot them. Okay, good. Ooh. Okay. So the plan here. Oh, oh, yep, and that's Strinova, and that's Strinova, ladies and gentlemen. Pressed POS. I am engineer.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
Big win for the people of Strinova, honestly. What more can you ask for?
Final round.
Sometimes you just gotta shoot them, and it's as easy as that. We take Bulwark Buster.
Defend your position.
Deploy the barrier.
They don't have any long range people, so I could just...
Engage with hostiles.
No! Oh, I'm so quick, actually. They ulted. We need to get in there, Loki. That's where the brawl's happening.
Bomb drop in zone A.
Okay, well... what can you do? We tried our best, that's what counts. MVP, baby! Best of my team! 10 years running. What if I went into ranked? No, I have to change the recording. We'll be right back. I did not need to close Strinova for that.